We might find today's feast as drowning and maybe so high and unreachable. Jesus as the eternal high priest. Walang hanggan na, kataas-taasan pa. And sometimes we use these words, my dear brothers and sisters, for royalty, for high-ranking officials, for dignity, and shall we say for esteemed titles and kinds of living. But did Jesus really live an eternal and high priest or priesthood in his life? Well, we shall all answer a big yes. Pero hindi po sa iniisip natin na malayo, mataas, o hindi maabot na pagkapari o pagkatao. But his being eternal high priest led him to be nearer to us, be one with us, and at least be someone for all of us. And our readings today would supply to this consolation. Yes, he is eternal high priest, but he willed to offer himself for us. He sits, as we have heard from the letter to the Hebrews, near his Father para po gumawa ng tulay mula sa atin patungo sa Diyos. He is eternal high priest, but would always offer his self, his body and blood in the form of bread and wine when we celebrate the Holy Mass. Hindi siya yung kataas-taasan at walang hanggan na parang walang kinikilala at wala nang iniisip na kapakanan para sa iba. Even though his life may be seen as noble and royal, he came to us and he always would live among us. Alam niyo po, isa din ito sa mga magagandang matutunan natin kay Jesus. He is eternal high priest, but never forgets being Emmanuel, being God with us. He might be royal and noble again and again, but he wishes to take care of us. Madami po kasi tayong inilalagay o mga taong nasa eternal and high positions, mga nasa kataas-taasan at walang hanggang mga kalagayan sa buhay. Pero ayaw bumaba at makinig. Ayaw makiisa sa atin. Kahit man lang suporta, ayaw ibigay. But Jesus as eternal priest may sound royal and noble, na pwede na niya pong kalimutan ang kanyang puso para sa tao. Pero doon mas lumawak at mas naging totoo yung kanyang pagmamahal at pag-aalay ng kanyang sarili sa atin. His heart grew large, leading us to God, serving us, blessing us, protecting us even until now, supplying us with heavenly graces up until now. My dear brothers and sisters, Jesus is eternal high priest. Mataas at marahil makalangit na mga pangalan, but he remains to live inside our lives and in our history. He is always among us whenever he is always among us and would make himself present when we come to church and pray, when we get along with each other, when we see someone serving and caring for us. Jesus, the eternal high priest, is present always. That is his being high priest. not far from us, but close to us. Hindi iba sa atin at kasama natin palagi.